Hello everyone, I'm your host Akanksha Mishra and you are watching our YouTube channel TNB Academy. So let's start with today's session. The year 2030 approaches faster than the world expected, carrying with it the weight of humanity's biggest promises. Almost a decade ago, global leaders pledged to build a world free from extreme poverty, injustice and environmental destruction. Today, the question echoes louder than ever. Are we truly winning this race toward a sustainable future, or are we slowly losing the battle without realizing it? This session invites viewers to take a deep, honest, and reflective journey through the global progress made so far. Instead of simply celebrating achievements, we will confront the uncomfortable truths, acknowledge the setbacks, and recognize the hidden victories that shape the 2030 narrative. The story of sustainable development is not about governments alone. It is about humanity standing at a crossroads, making choices that will define generations. Now, understanding the 2030 agenda, a promise to humanity. In 2015, nearly every country came together to commit to a shared vision, a world where every person could live with dignity, opportunity, and security. The 2030 agenda was not designed as a political trophy. It was crafted as a roadmap to create fairness and hope across borders. Its purpose extended far beyond targets and indicators. It was meant for farmers struggling with unpredictable weather, children who lacked basic education, women fighting for safety and equality, and workers seeking fair wages and decent livelihoods. However, the agenda imagined in 2015 is vastly different from the world we inhabit today. A global pandemic disrupted economies, conflicts multiplied, technologies advanced faster than regulations, and the climate crisis intensified dramatically. As the world transforms, the promise of 2030 finds itself tested. Ambition remains high, but the realities on the ground reveal a far more complicated picture. Now, the Global Progress Report, a mixed reality. When we examine global progress, the overall performance resembles a patchwork of achievements and setbacks. Some nations have made impressive strides, while others have struggled to maintain stability. Access to education has expanded widely, yet the quality and consistency vary greatly. Healthcare systems have strengthened in many regions, but affordability remains out of reach for millions. Renewable energy adoption has accelerated, but dependency on fossil fuels continues to dominate global consumption. Poverty reduction made remarkable progress for years, only to be reversed by recent crises that forced millions back into hardship. The truth is clear. Progress exists, but it is too slow and too uneven. At the current pace, many of the 2030 ambitions remain out of reach. Yet it is important to recognize that even slow steps forward still lay the foundation for a better future. Humanity has not lost the race, but it is dangerously behind. Now, where the world is winning moments of hope. Despite the challenges, the world has witnessed extraordinary breakthroughs that offer hope. Renewable energy has become more accessible and affordable. This shift has created millions of green jobs and pushed nations closer to cleaner economies. Education, particularly digital learning, has reached remote areas that previously had little access, giving children opportunities unavailable to earlier generations. Technological innovation has grown exponentially, with artificial intelligence, data analytics, and smart devices improving agriculture, predicting natural disasters, enhancing healthcare, and streamlining governance. Women's empowerment movements have become stronger than ever, allowing more women to enter leadership roles, build businesses, and demand justice. Most importantly, people awareness, especially among young people, has soared. Young activists and global citizens are driving discussions and demanding action. These bright spots show that when humanity collaborates, progress becomes not only possible but powerful. Now, where the world is losing the harsh realities. While victories shine brightly, the setbacks are equally undeniable. Climate change is advancing far faster than global actions. Entire communities are being destroyed by floods, droughts, wildfires, and storms that grow stronger each year. Rising temperatures threaten food systems, health, and ecosystems. Poverty, once declining, has made a troubling comeback as economic instability, inflation, and conflicts push countless families into hardship. Inequality is widening, with wealth concentrated in the hands of a small elite while billions struggle for basic necessities. Wars and political conflicts continue to displace millions, disrupt supply chains, and weaken economies. Mental health challenges are rising globally as anxiety, depression, and burnout affect people across all ages. At the heart of many problems lies a lack of strong global cooperation. Nations are increasingly inward-focused, prioritizing immediate national interest over shared global responsibilities. These challenges reveal that humanity is losing critical battles even as it wins smaller ones. Now we have the 5 deepest barriers blocking progress. The world's struggle toward the 2030 goals can be traced to several deeply rooted barriers. The first is inadequate financing. Most nations do not have the resources needed to sustain development at the required scale. Public debt is rising and investment gaps remain large. The second barrier is political instability, as frequent leadership changes disrupt long-term planning and development strategies. The third lies in institutional inefficiency. Corruption, slow systems, and poor governance hinder progress across sectors. The fourth barrier is limited public awareness. Most people around the world still do not fully understand the importance of sustainability or how their daily choices impact global challenges. Finally, the fifth barrier is the increasing frequency of climate disasters. Each catastrophic event destroys homes, infrastructure, farmlands, and livelihoods, erasing years of development gains in minutes. These interconnected obstacles make it clear that the challenge ahead is vast and requires urgent transformation. Now we have areas of renewed hope. The rising forces of change. Despite the obstacles, powerful forces of change are emerging. Young people are rising as leaders, creators, and bold voices demanding accountability. Their movements for climate justice, equality, and sustainability are shaping political agendas and influencing corporate behavior. The private sector is also transforming rapidly, with businesses shifting toward ethical practices, carbon-neutral commitments, and more transparent production systems. Green jobs are increasing at unprecedented rates, offering new opportunities in renewable energy, sustainable agriculture, waste management, and environmental restoration. Digital empowerment is bridging gaps in finance, education, and entrepreneurship, allowing people in remote areas to access global opportunities. Communities worldwide are creating grassroots solutions, from urban gardens to recycling initiatives and cooperative models that strengthen local resilience. These developing trends show that change is no longer limited to governments. It is coming from individuals, innovators, and communities who refuse to wait. Now let's discuss what must happen before 2030, the urgent transformation. The path to success requires bold, immediate transformations across the world. Climate action must accelerate drastically, demanding a rapid shift toward renewable energy, stronger environmental policies, and global protection of forests, oceans, and natural resources. Education systems need to evolve, integrating sustainability, technology, critical thinking, and mental health into mainstream learning. Healthcare systems must become more accessible, affordable, and resilient in preparation for future crises. Reducing inequality should be a central priority, with fair wages, social protection, and support for small businesses. Governance needs a stronger transparency, reduced corruption, and digital systems that provide faster and more reliable public services. Citizens must also be empowered through awareness, responsible choices, and civic participation. Above all, international cooperation must strengthen because no country can solve climate change, poverty, or global instability alone. These are the changes that will determine whether humanity succeeds or stumbles as 2013 approaches. Now, here is the final verdict. Are we winning or losing? The truth is neither simple nor absolute. Humanity is both winning and losing. We are winning in areas of innovation, awareness, renewable energy, education access, and youth leadership. These victories show that change is possible and that progress is real. But we are losing equally important battles against climate change, poverty, inequality, conflict, and poor governance. The world is not failing because the goals are flawed. It is struggling because the challenges are greater than expected, and the global response has not matched the urgency. Still, the story remains unfinished. With 7 years left, the world can shift the narrative dramatically if it acts with determination, unity, and courage. Now let's discuss about your role in the 2030 race. As we approach the final years before 2030, it becomes clear that sustainable development is not merely a government responsibility. It is a human responsibility. Every individual influences this story through the choices they make, the actions they take, and the awareness they spread. The work ahead is immense, but change begins with one person, one community, and one decision at a time. The real question is not whether the world is winning or losing. The real question is, what role will you play in shaping the final outcome? The answer to that question will determine not only our future, but the future of every generation yet to come. That is all about today's session on TNV Academy, and I, Akanksha Mishra, will see you in the next episode. Until then, like, share, and subscribe TNV Academy for more such informative videos.